If you are African and looking for a scholarship in India, this video is for you. The ICCR Scholarship covers your flight ticket, visa, dissertation support, book allowance, and more. And guess what? It's even better when you come to Nalanda University. This is an international university under the Ministry of External Affairs, supported by 18 countries. Here you will experience international conferences, internship opportunities, and of course, an amazing lifestyle. There is a free gym, transport to classes, where you choose if you prefer a bus, bicycle, or what we call tutu. Apart from that, the dining facility truly feels like home. If you like spicy food, you get it. If you don't like, there are many other options. Now you might be wondering how to apply. Well, you just have to search ICCR Scholarship online, and then you will create an account. There you'll have to fill your name, surname, passport number, country, and all these basic details. Now that your account has been created, you can start your application. You'll have to choose the mainstream, after that the nomenclature of the course, and finally the university. You already know that you'll choose Nalanda University. Here at Nalanda University we have 4 main streams. First, arts, humanities, and social sciences. So you choose this mainstream, then you choose the nomenclature of the course. We have the following courses: MA Economics, the option 4, so you'll have to scroll down till the 4th option. Then MA Philosophy, position 8. MA Hindu Studies, 25. MA Historical Studies, 26. MA International Relations and Peace Studies, 27. MA Archaeology, 28. And finally, MA Buddhist Studies, 36. Now we go to the second mainstream, languages. Nomenclature of the course: we have MA Sanskrit, position 3, MA Hindi, position 7, and MA World Literature English, position 15. The third mainstream is management. We have MBA Sustainable Development and Management, position 11. And now the last mainstream, you choose science. After that, you choose the nomenclature of the course, where you'll have to select MSc Mathematics, position number 7. We also have MSc Ecology and Environmental Studies, 33. Masters in Science and Technology Policy Studies, position 305. After this step, you'll have to upload your certificates and submit your application. Hopefully, I will see you soon here at Nalanda University.